What up, y'all? We back at it again with another video. Before the video starts, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, today we're doing the blind taste test challenge with sodas. We have Tamika.
Hey.
She might take your man. Well, Tamika is here to be giving us the drinks. Today we're chasing soda, so we're gonna have different brands of soda, blindfolded. We're gonna take at the same time. And the rules is we can't smell the drink or look at it. So we're gonna put on our blindfolds right now.
No cheating.
No cheating.
I'm not gonna cheat.
Alright.
Not gonna put it on?
I said I'm not gonna cheat.
You gotta put it on.
I know how to put it on, but I'm
now.
not going to cheat. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
Alright,
I'm not a cheater.
Alright, you got you, man. You're not cheating, alright. So you can put on the blindfold now.
I bet.
I gotta make sure you're not.
Make sure you can't see, like, just do. How much fingers you got up in your hand?
How many fingers I got up?
I don't know. 3.
Like one. Okay. Come on, slowpoke.
Hold on. Remember, so Afro samurai. That.
Taking so long.
Any day now.
Hey, you got the easy blindfold. All you gotta do is put it on. Pause.
Alright, you can see how many fingers I'm holding up. Up.
4.
Alright, so we're gonna start, okay?
Alright. Round one.
Oh my gosh, I can't even reach the drink. Ah! Ow!
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I can sit back down.
Just sit down.
Yeah, I squeeze my nose.
Is he gonna smell it?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like Tyreek is cheating.
Why I gotta be cheating?
He's so close
You
to
know
me.
Tyreek's always cheating something.
Yo, I'm not gonna hold you. You're on my body.
Watch him out.
You're on my body.
Watch him out. Don't do that.
You're on my body.
Don't do that.
Okay.
Yo, Tyrell,
Yo,
how it tastes?
pause.
I can drink it now.
What?
Here.
Here, what? I can't even see.
Oh,
Exactly.
sorry.
That's grape soda.
I feel like that was mad easy.
That's grape soda.
Come on.
They had no nasty stuff at the store.
You wanna give black people grape soda? Not expecting them no grape soda.
Not supposed to know that? Come on.
Not expecting us to know grape soda. You dead ass.
Okay.
This is
I'm using the
light.
second one. Ugh. I should have put this in my lap. Alright.
So that's why we both got
Come on,
right.
Tamika. You give us grape soda as a first option. Come on, you're not dead ass. This is light.
I thought I'm about to go. How much you got? You said you got 6?
Yeah.
I'm about to go 6 for 6. No cap.
Okay, you say
How about
so.
you, Tiny?
What?
Then you about to get everything right?
Come on, boy. You have to know my body.
Ooh.
I make it hard to hold your nose, so you don't have to smile.
This is a workout.
That was a workout.
It is.
Yes, so dramatic. You're still recording, right?
Yeah. Just making sure the camera see the drink.
How you cover your nose?
I'm good. You don't have to cover my nose, boy.
You want to smell it?
I'm just not sniffing.
He's like mad close to me. I feel like he's cheating. He is sniffing it.
I'm not sniffing.
Alright, just close your nose. Just hold your nose.
Oh, you might pop.
Watch your mouth.
Here.
I had to get you back. That's it. That's it.
That's root beer.
Why did you say? Y'all should have like, I don't know.
That's definitely root beer.
It says root beer?
Mm.
And it's not root beer.
What is it?
Okay, it's root beer. Okay, next drink. I'm taking
Wait, so you're gonna count like to 3 before we say our answer? How to be good?
what?
You're gonna count to 3 before we say our answer?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, let me taste first.
Alright,
Oh,
1,
this one's easy.
2, 3.
Sierra Mist.
Sprite.
Okay.
It's definitely Sierra Mist.
Okay.
Which one is it?
It's ginger ale.
Oh. Okay. I beat it.
You made it, I made it. We made it.
So you beat it.
Yo, you're my body.
This is like so much. You just hit me.
For me?
Hello.
Oh, why you trying to hit me, boy?
I'm gonna hit you. Relax,
Give me a
relax.
hit, boy.
You kicking the cup on the floor.
Yeah, boy, why you trying to hit me, boy?
I'm trying to hit you.
Are you dumb? Are you stupid? Giju. Yo, boy, stop trying to touch me.
Don't sound touchy.
Don't say it like this.
No, you cheating. Move back.
Nah, but he trying to hit me, too.
Oh my gosh, I don't know why I bought a can.
So, how many was that just now? How many?
That was 3.
Okay. 3. Okay.
Remember the first
You
one
only
was
got
good?
2 right.
2 right.
Nah, I'm mad I already said Sprite, that's ginger ale.
That's
Yeah.
2, 1.
You sure you cheating?
I'm sure. I was drinking it with y'all.
Greedy. I'm
Alright.
drinking it with y'all.
Here.
Here's that. I bet. Alright. Alright.
Hold on. This one.
Wait, time out. Wait.
Wait.
Hold on.
I was taking another sip.
Wait, time out. You got the flavors? You got wait, time out. Time out.
You're not even drinking it.
If I say the brand, that's a good point.
No, you have to say the exact drink.
Wait, time out.
Alright, 1.
Wait, hold on.
Yo, I never tasted this in my life, yo.
Alright,
You want some more?
No, so it got an aftertaste. Like I know what it is, then I have an aftertaste. Like, what is this?
You trying to lace me?
You want some more taro? No? Okay, so 1.
Wait, hold on.
Oh my gosh, it can't be that hard.
It is nah. Alright, I didn't know this one.
Is this diet drinks?
I don't know.
I bet.
Is it diet drink?
I can't tell you.
She can't tell us.
Alright.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Diet Sprite.
And
What
it's
is
Diet Coke.
Oh, that's why.
First of all, how's Diet Sprite? It tastes like, I don't know, like.
That's Diet Coke.
That's Diet Coke.
That's the first time I ever drink Diet Coke.
First time ever.
You could taste the difference between Sprite and
Nah,
Coke.
but
I never had Diet Coke before.
Whatever.
You had Diet Coke before?
Yeah.
You on a diet?
No.
What's next?
Not supposed to know what's next.
So we 2-2, right? That's 2-2.
Yeah.
That's
Alright.
2-2. Alright, bet.
Mm-hmm.
Boom!
I can't even see it, bro. Chill.
You trying to slip it.
Make sure Ty don't cheat. Make sure Ty
He's
don't cheat.
cheating.
I'm not cheating. If I'm cheating, why am I getting the answers wrong? Does that make sense?
Whatever. Here.
What is this? Oh, wait on you. Hold on.
This one's definitely easy.
Alright, 1,
Alright, that's easy.
2, 3.
Sprite.
Okay.
I was feeling to say Sprite.
You know the vibes. You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. What, you trying to dot me up?
You know the vibes. First try to dab you up, bro. Right here, right.
Okay, guys, this is the last
Right,
one,
right,
okay?
Right. Yeah, right hand. I'm in front of her. In front of me.
You're in front of her?
Yeah, I'm trying
Your
to
hand
dab
out.
her. Right hand.
This your hand?
This is my hand.
It's not Is he hit?
Facts.
Does he hit?
Facts.
I bet. Hold on. Wait, move back, Tamika.
I break up.
Wait, back on. Ready?
Yeah.
Yo,
Wait,
Dan.
hold on. Wait.
Can I?
Wait.
Alright. Anyway, next drink, guys.
Okay. Last one?
This is the last one.
Come
Can
on,
you see
wait.
it? Oh, wait. Okay, this is the last drink. This one is easy too. If you guys get this wrong, you guys are idiots.
We're idiots?
Yeah.
We're idiots?
Uh-huh. Move, see? Oh god, stop. You're cheating.
I'm trying to see what the time. Oh, Zach, he be trying to.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Hold on.
Alright?
Alright. Wait, hold on. Easy.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Orange soda.
What kind of orange soda?
What you mean? Sunkiss.
Huh.
Sunkiss. Yeah, Sunkiss.
Okay, we're gonna use Taro.
Definitely Sunkiss.
Definitely Sunkiss. What is it?
It's Crush.
Oh! Oh no. You dead eyes?
This kind is wrong. It's wrong. Yeah, it's wrong.
Is that oh?
So, that's 3 and 3. You have one more for a tiebreaker?
No.
No?
Unless. I don't know.
Is he gonna drink over the soda now?
I was only drinking ginger ale.
She's lying. It don't
I'm
matter.
serious.
The camera will show us.
Okay, so what's the tiebreaker?
That's tough.
What if I mix one of the drinks?
Facts.
And you tell me which.
You gotta mix 2 drinks and you gotta figure out the 2 flavors.
Okay.
Alright, so. Hello, are you here?
I'm here, hold on.
Okay, so we resulted in a tie. It's 3-3. Right now, we're about to have a tiebreaker. So what Tamika's gonna do, she's gonna mix 2 sodas together, and whoever gets them right is our winner.
I'll mix 3.
Why mixing 3? Let's mix 2.
Okay, fine.
You trying to violate? Yo, get off your phone.
But
I'm not losing though.
That's what I think it. That's OD.
But like shorts, especially like that.
Boxers. Tiny whities. You gotta go buy like the small tight short ones.
Are you wallet, bro? You're not in the bed. Like you're in the bed, but like you're not even in a contest. Chill. Yeah.
You gotta buy the little short tight whities.
What if I lose? You wildin' now. Chill.
You lose, you lose. You ready?
Yeah.
Like how many fingers I'm holding up?
Damn, Taro, turn off your phone.
4. I did.
Damn, bro.
You got 4?
Like to see.
Can I see?
Yeah.
No.
I think I'm holding up, Terry.
1.
1?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all some cheaters. Why are you stepping so hard, Tyrell?
No one is stepping on Oreo. I'm fixing this one.
Okay. Look at this. Okay.
Alright, bet.
How many fingers I'm holding up?
Who you talking to?
Both of y'all.
1.
3.
Taro can see you.
I don't know.
Okay. I didn't have 3 anyway. I'm gonna show the camera what I mixed it with. Okay, I mixed it with this and this. Hopefully they get them wrong. And you didn't know, Terry.
I don't know how yeah, females could do this every day.
We put it on our head, not on our eyes. Here.
Oh, I know what this is. That's 2 drinks. I know what this is.
Alright. Ty takes one more sip because you don't know.
Make Ty go first.
No,
And
you go
one-
first. You go first.
I said it. To make Ty go first.
No, y'all gotta say it at the same time.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Root beer.
Yeah, some
root beer.
cheers.
Root beer. Root beer.
Wait, okay, root beer.
It's root beer and Diet Coke.
I was gonna say that too. Root beer and Diet Coke. Are we right?
Yeah, you gotta do it again.
I got trust enough.
You got something else?
Oh my gosh. Maybe the root beer is so strong.
I
2.
don't know. I do not know.
Yes, you do. You said 2.
I do not know. I do
Okay,
not
how many
know.
picks was it?
2. I do not know.
Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna mix, no. I'm gonna mix, I got 2 drinks wrong, right? From before,
You got both of them right.
right?
It was Diet Coke and yeah.
Whatever. Okay. Can I mix 3 drinks?
Yeah.
I feel like you're getting the drink, so.
Alright, man.
And then. There you go. Why are you lifting your scarf to drink the juice, the soda?
It was on my nose. Look,
Oh.
you see the way the scarf is? Do you see the way the scarf is?
Okay, I'm just making sure.
Like what, bro? I got it.
Terribly trying to wear these goggles just to drink. It's fine.
It was 3 drinks?
Mm-hmm. Alright, I'll give y'all 5 seconds.
Taro go first. Taro gotta go first.
Yeah. I already gave them the
Is this
drinks.
it? Is this
Yeah,
it?
this is it.
I will try with it.
Okay.
Alright. I'm going first?
Yeah.
Alright. I got ginger ale. Ginger ale. Diet Coke and Sprite.
My go. Wait, hold on.
You go.
I got ginger ale, Diet Coke. Wait, hold on. Where the cup at? Hold on. Orange soda.
Terry got it right.
You
So,
feel me?
damn. So what you gotta do?
What you about to do, boy?
I'm not doing anything.
What you mean? No, you have to do something. What you mean? Not doing
Okay,
anything?
I'm not
so
doing anything.
you gotta run outside.
You have to run outside.
You gotta go buy you some time. You white.
No, we have to get him some shorts. You have to run down the block and back with shorts. Just shorts. Just shorts. You think about it, right? You like this. You like this.
Damn.
Damn,
I
bro.
can't believe you got it.
Come on, bro. You have to know my body. What did I tell you from the beginning? Feel me, man. This is what I do. This is not what you do. Yo, bro, take this off.
You're doing it right now.
Hell yeah. Yo, did you honestly think he was gonna Did you honestly think he was gonna win?
And it's cold, so you better put some like baby oil or something. I don't know. You wanna drive in the car?
You in a V. You're not in a V.
Damn.
You can run up this block and back? Nah. Or you wanna run up? Now you can run up that way where there's traffic.
You dumb.
So you wanna run this way? Yeah, boy. I'm dead ass. Yo, what's up, guys? We outside. Better go in the car. You know, Terrell's about to do his consequence for losing. He's talking crazy to me, saying that I'm gonna lose. Is he dumb? But watch, it's about to be active. My boy, ready? Yo, Terrell. Yo, Ro. Yo, Ro. Yo, Ro. vexed, bro. You look vexed, bro. Yo, I'm not going. Yo. So we here. We're gonna be waiting for Terrell to get changed. We gotta go on this marathon.
I'm crying.
You ready, my boy?
You should took a shot of Henny or something.
Yo, he don't drink. We don't drink.
I'm about to say y'all running outside in this.
Who's y'all? It's him.
Running outside.
It's him. It's you, bro. Nah, this is about to be comedy. What was my food?
That's good.
My boy. My boy getting ready. Yo, bro.
Oh nah.
Ah, nah.
Alright, get out the car.
Get out the V. She said get out her V, boy. Oh shit. Open the door, boy. Open the door. It's locked.
No, it's not.
It's locked.
Oh, child, go outside.
It's child lock. I got you, bro. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you, bro. 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 Wait, hold on. Unlock the windows. Unlock the windows. Unlock it. Hurry up. Unlock it before people start. Here we go. Start driving now. Hold on. Go, my boy. Wait, slow down. Yo, bro. Slow down. Yo, boy, you're out. Yo, Tyrell. Yo, bro. Yo, bro, it's Brick, bro. What are you doing? Put on some clothes. Yo, Tyrell. Yo, bust it right upon the corner. Yo, bro, it's Brick. Oh, now you. Alright, come back. Turn around. Oh, he's still running. Yo, follow him. Yo, bro, that's it, bro.
Maybe he likes it.
You like it? Oh. Yo, make this right. Make this right.
Nah, that's
Make this right. Yo. What is it?
Okay.
Yo. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. I mean, Terrell Laws just got back in the car. Heat's on, blasting. Say bye, Tamika.
Thanks for having me.
Yo, say bye, my boy. Later.